Welcome to the online training for Trimble's EC-CAD sheet metal. In this series, we're going to look at the synchronization of specifications inside Part Manager. So when you open up Part Manager, you go to the main screen, you're going to go into the configuration. The configuration is going to take you to where all your specs and your manufacturer defaults live. And when you see this button up here on the top, Synchronize Specification Tables, you'll want to go ahead and click that and let it run through its options. So I'm going to say Synchronize All Specification Tables. This could take a few minutes to do depending upon the number of spec tables that you have on your system. You can see it's going through the 1 inch, the 2 inch. It's going to go through there and synchronize all of these for me. And just make sure that everything matches up and everything is aligned properly. We'll let it go ahead and run through its paces here, and then we're going to go ahead and look at the top bar again. Once it has finished going through all of the items here, now we're back to the EC. This is the busy, you might say the busy signal for Part Manager with the EC. But now you'll notice the sync catalogs has been removed, so they are now synchronized.
We hope you enjoyed this video. See what's next in our product tips playlist or visit mep.trimble.com for even more product resources.